Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. The coordinates of a point P where PQ is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, comma minus 3 and Q is 1, comma 4, and we have to find these coordinates. Now in order to find this, let's try to visualize what this situation is showing. It says that this is a circle with center O as 2, comma minus 3, and this here is Q, which is 1, comma 4, and we have to find P where PQ is diameter. P x y where PQ is diameter. Now since PQ is diameter, that must mean that O is dividing line joining P and Q exactly in half. So we can say that O is midpoint of PQ. Since PQ is diameter of the given circle, O 2, comma minus 3, that is center must be midpoint of PQ. Therefore, using midpoint formula, we have 2, comma minus 3 equal to x plus 1 by 2, comma y plus 4 by 2. This we have. Now we'll simply equate respective x coordinate and y coordinates. So 2 will be equal to this and minus 3 will be equal to this. Therefore 2 equal to x plus 1 by 2, that gives us x plus 1 equal to 4 and x equal to 3. Similarly, minus 3 equal to y plus 4 by 2, that gives us y plus 4 equal to minus 6 and y equal to minus 10. Therefore, coordinates of P are x comma y, that is 3 comma minus 10. Let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option A, 3 comma minus 10.